Welcome to the new Schaerer Coffee Prime. I will show you how this machine is now configured. You have a 7-inch touchscreen, automatic milk frother, comes with drainage or water tank. We shall open up the door. Inside, we have 2 bean hoppers, 2 product hoppers. One can be for chai, the other one for chocolate. Mixed bowls, brand new and CY milk foamer. On board, 5-litre internal water tank, or machine can be used with mains water. Coffee waste container, drip tray. Also on this machine, they've put a hole where you have a large capacity. This machine can be fitted out with a coin mech. Optional fridge, a cup warmer as well. It has a program for 48 drinks, barista function as well.